Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Choosing Me. The artist the music is It Worth It? The artist is RAE KHALIL. The choreography is Kathy of About That Dance and PEEJAY of IFE. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. Sorry if the lighting changed. I'm using the natural lighting, got an overcast right now. So my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. That was Choosing Me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.